Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, and we have Charles here. You need to tell Charles works out a little bit. Just a little bit. Just tiny, little bit of weights, a little bit. He's a pretty athletic guy. What'd you come in here for originally, Charles?
I came here originally for just basically just a lot of upper and lower back issues, and my head and neck, getting a lot of headaches.
And what have you noticed after a few treatments? I think we've had about a good 3 or 4 sessions already, haven't we?
I've noticed a significant increase in stamina, endurance, energy, and I don't have nearly as much in the headache department. In
That's
fact,
less.
Pretty much gone.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for banging your head on things. So.
Oh, the original cinema visit. Yeah, oh yeah. Forgot about that. Go figure.
I don't forget a lot. I mean, I do. Definitely don't talk to my wife about that, but. All right. Let's have you lay on this side for me, face me this way. I think your therapist referred you here.
I think so.
Yeah.
Mr. Timothy Costin.
Yep.
Man, the myth, the legend.
Now, you're coming to Seattle, Tacoma Lacey Chiropractor right here. There it is, on your back. Good job. Breath in, release. Good. Breath in, release.
Whoa.
That's some good cracks.
Yeah, it's relieving.
All right, drop your left arm to the floor. Good. Now you're anticipating me. I want you to go ahead and drop both arms down. Good. Workouts are going pretty good.
Oh, and really, really good.
You notice the increase in the weights too?
I've noticed an increase in everything. I've kind of shifted gears. I've been working a little bit more on endurance.
Yeah.
And I've had very good results since I've started seeing you. I feel a lot better, a lot.
What would you look at this guy? He's just handing me his hand right there. It's okay. We're just being real.
Right.
All right. I'm gonna have you sit up, face the chair that way. So I do a full body, full spine, full body adjusting. And this was his first time experiencing that, so a complete adjustment for the body. I think that when I go to my chiropractor, that's what I get as well. Nice arch right here for me. Now he had really good success with very deep tissue massage, but what he didn't get and what happens when you go to a chiropractor for back and neck pain treatment and relief care, chiropractors work on the restriction of the spine, of the body, of shoulders and elbows and wrists and hands. And so that's what we look at. You guys feel better. Feel that one released right?
Yeah, I felt really good.
Good job. Hold right there. Sit up nice and straight, nice arch right there. Breath in and release. And hold back. Use a massager, one to increase the blood flow to the tissue in that. Patients like it, it feels better. But it brings that blood to the spine, and when you move blood around like that, it reduces some of the inflammation in there, and that's why we use this. The massager actually moves at a high frequency, just to change the tone or the how the tissues feel in there. So warms up the area, gets things moving a little bit easier. Anything you want to say to the viewers about why they should see the Seattle Tacoma Lacey chiropractor here?
Based off what little research I've done and off of common sense, I've been to a couple other outlets and nothing has been rewarding and productive as seeing Dr. Warwick, hands down.
That was very PC.
Very
That was very good. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.